Hello everyone. Today we are going to take the revision of lesson number 2, that is interior of the earth. Okay. So let us know first how the earth is. सबसे पहले तो हम ये जानेंगे कि how the earth is formed. Okay. Afterward we will just discuss the earth's interior. Okay. So let us start. The earth was formed out of solar system itself. ये जो अर्थ डेवलप हुई है ये किससे बनी हुई है? सोलर सिस्टम से. ओके. इनिशियली द अर्थ वाज वेरी हॉट एंड गैसियस व्हाइल रोटेटिंग अराउंड इटसेल्फ द अर्थ कूल्ड डाउन. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि इनिशियली अर्थ जो है एक जो गोला थी, आग का गोला, ठीक है, लेकिन जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द रोटेशन, आपको पता है कि अर्थ जो है खुद के अलांग घूमती है. इसका एक कॉमन एग्जांपल अगर हम लेंगे तो फॉर एग्जांपल देखो, आपका जो हॉट मिल्क होता है उसको आप सॉसर में पोर करके रखो और कुछ देर के लिए ऐसे ही छोड़ दो. तो दो एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है आपको. जो दूध गर्म है उस पर ढक के रखो और दूसरा उसमें से थोड़ा सा दूध लो सॉसर में और उसमें पोर करके रखो. तो विद इन 10 मिनट्स वो जो 15 मिनट्स वो जो दूध है वो ठंडा हो जाएगा. एज कम्पेयर टू दैट जो पॉट में रखा हुआ है वो गर्म ही है. ठीक है. इसका मतलब यही है कि हवा क्या करती है, उस लिक्विड को ठंडा करती है. तो जब ये रोटेट होती है अब तो ये भी ठंडी हुई होंगी और उसके वजह से द प्रोसेस ऑफ कूलिंग डाउन ऑफ द अर्थ बिगैन फ्रॉम द आउटर सरफेस टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ सरफेस. ठीक है, अर्थ सेंटर. और धीरे धीरे अर्थ भी हमारी वैसे ही कूल होती गई. ठीक है, दैट इज फ्रॉम आउटर सरफेस टू इनर सरफेस. ओके. As its effect, the outer surface of the earth is found to be solid and cooler. Get it? और इसी वजह से हमारा जो आउटर सरफेस है वो सॉलिड है क्योंकि वो जल्दी ठंडा हो गया ना. That's why it is solid. और नीचे और कूलर, ठंडा भी है और सॉलिड भी है. Okay. Now let us discuss. Okay. The interior of the earth. Now see. This is the crust, the outermost. Okay. The outermost part of the earth is called as the crust. Okay. Afterward, we are having the mantle. So there are again the parts of the mantle. The upper one is called as the upper mantle, and lower is called as the lower one is called as the lower one. Okay. Now we will talk about the third part of the earth interior, that is the core. Again, the core is of two types, the outer one and the inner. Okay, so there are again the two types of the core, that is the two parts of the core, we can say, that is the inner core and outer. Okay. Now let us know the parts of the earth briefly. Okay. So first we will start with the crust, or first we will start with the mantle. Okay. Yes. First we will discuss with the crust, that is the uppermost layer of the interior of the earth is called crust. Please hear it again. The uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. It is solid in state. And there are two parts of the earth crust, that is the continental crust and oceanic crust. So crust is also having the two parts. There are the two parts of the crust. The first one is the continental crust and second one is the oceanic crust. Okay. So let us know about the continental crust. So if we'll talk about the thickness of the continental crust, it is approximately from 16 to 45 kilometers. Then if you talk about the density of this crust, okay, this part of the crust, that is the continental crust, then it is approximately 2.65 to 2.90 gram per centimeter cube. And the silica and the aluminium, these are the elements which are found in this part, that is the continental crust. That's why earlier this part of the earth is also known as the SIAL. Si for silicon and Al for aluminium. Okay. Now we will talk about the oceanic crust. Okay. So approximately the thickness of this oceanic crust is from 7 to 10 kilometer. Then its density is approximately between 2.65 to 2.90 gram per centimeter cube. And if we will talk about the element found in this region, okay, so the element present here are silica and magnesium, which is commonly called as the SIMA, SIMA, Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. So this layer is also known as the SIMA. So now we have talked about the crust. Now we will discuss the second part of the Earth's interior, and that is the mantle. Okay, mantle lies below the crust of the Earth. देखो crust के नीचे वाला जो portion है, that is called as the mantle. Okay, and mantle is again divided into a two part, just like the crust. That is, the crust is of two types. The crust is having the two parts, that is the continental crust and oceanic crust. Likewise, the mantle is again having the two parts, that is the upper mantle and lower mantle, as you can see in the figure. Okay, upper side of the mantle is called as the upper mantle and the lower one is called as the lower one mantle. Okay, so let us know about it. The average thickness of the mantle is approximately 2,870 kilometer. Okay, its average thickness is about 2,870 kilometer. Its average density is approximately 4.5 gram per centimeter cube. You know that the density is measured. The unit of the density is what? Gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So the density of this mantle is about 4.5 gram per centimeter cube. The temperature at the depth of 2,400 to 2,900 kilometer is around 2,200 degree to 2,500 degrees Celsius. Think for it. Temperature is how much? 2,200 at 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. The boiling of the water starts, and if you just if the boiled water fall on your skin, your skin get burned. So think about it, that what will happen at 2,200 degrees Celsius to 2,500 degrees Celsius. The density of the lower mantle is approximately 5.7 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. Now we will talk about the upper mantle. The upper layer of the mantle is known as the asthenosphere. The upper part of the mantle, that is the upper mantle, is also called as the asthenosphere, and it is usually more liquid in state. Usually it is more liquid and state. Okay. Now we will talk about the last portion, that is the core. Okay. Only the primary waves, that is the last part of the Earth's interior, is the core. Okay. So only the primary waves of the earthquake travels to the core. And information about the parts of the core is as follows. The core is also of two types, that is the outer core and the inner core. Okay. So let us know the location of the outer core first. See here. The outer core is below the lower mantle. Its depth from the surface of the earth is about 2,900 kilometer to 5,100 kilometer. Its density is approximately 9.8 gram per centimeter cube. Usually it is liquid or semi-liquid in state, and the elements found in the outer core is iron. Okay. Now we will talk about the inner core. So this core is located below the outer core. See, you can see it very well. Outer core ke niche hai last one, inner core. Okay. Its depth from the surface of the earth is near about 550 kilometer to 6,371 kilometer. Okay. If you will talk about the density of this region, then it is 13.3 gram per centimeter cube, and it is usually solid in state. And the iron and nickel, these are the elements are found in the inner core. Okay. So in this way, today we have discussed about how the earth is formed, Afterward, we have discussed that how discuss the Earth's interior. That Earth is divided into three parts, that is the crust, mantle, and the core. We have discussed the Earth's interior in briefly. Okay. The next portion we will discuss in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.